Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the timer knob nut in your dryer. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the nut is damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a 7/16" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer that we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind your dryer might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So you can see right here, this is our timer knob. It does work, however, it shouldn't be coming off like this. You can see right in here, there's a bolt coming through, and on the bolt there are a couple of threads here, and the whole purpose of this is to have a nut on the inside of the knob here to hold it in place. So we'll put the knob back on, and we can pop off the cap here. And you'll see right in here, this is where our nut goes. There's no nut right now, so we're going to grab a new one. So here's our OEM replacement timer knob nut. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So we're going to put the nut right onto the front of this knob here, onto the screw, and screw down by hand a bit. Then we're going to use our 7/16" nut driver in order to tighten it up the rest of the way. There we go. So now you can try it out. With the nut on there, this is nice and tight and it doesn't come off. So now we'll put the cap back on and we'll line up these 4 tabs with the 4 slots in here. And it fits in there nicely, snaps right in. And you can try it out again. You see everything's nice and tight on there, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.